Yes, we are on Apple Watch. We're looking to see if it hits $1 trillion valuation. At the moment, it's about $22 billion away. If it reaches 203, it'll hit $1 trillion. Come on in, Mitchell Green, Lead Edge Capital Managing Partner. You're an early investor in Uber and Spotify, I believe.
Pretty early investors in Spotify, Alibaba Group, later investors in Alibaba.
But you know tech from the inside. All right, tell me about Apple. Is it going to hit $1 trillion valuation on this show today?
It might. We shall see.
I don't want that as an answer. So
yeah, yes, it will.
Excellent.
At some point, it will.
So
Correct.
you have no doubt that it hits $1 trillion.
I think it will hit $1 trillion.
Will it continue to be the juggernaut leading everybody else higher?
I believe the answer is yes. I believe that what you're seeing is companies like Apple's doing so well because services are like music streaming and all these different services are becoming a very meaningful part of the business. Like this quarter, it was over 20% of the total business, growing 30 or 40% a year. It used to be much, much smaller, growing really fast, and nobody cared about it. But now it's becoming, it's almost like it's a subscription type business. And it's funny, if you think about the iPhones, they're almost like it's becoming a natural. Like you'll be like, oh, my phone's a few years old, time to buy a new phone, and you'll just instantaneously go buy the new Apple phone. So I think it's a hardware company that's been able to transition into almost like a recurring revenue software business.
That's the ecosystem I hear about, right?
Yeah,
that's the services sector where you feed little bits of money in all the time. They pick up 99 cents a month from me, for heaven's sake, which is hard to do. Now, looking at the big picture.
Did we just hear that? 99 cents a month is hard to do. Forgive me.
No,
Forgive me.
I get bosses to pay him.
Hard to give up.
It was a joke. It was a joke.
Funny. It was
but
very
they
funny.
squeeze money out of just about everybody
it's a
who's
good
got
point.
any kind of Apple device of any kind.
Yep.
That's what they do.
Yeah.
Now then, for a couple of years, the big story that we've been covering is big tech dominates the stock market, dominates the economy. Mm-hmm. Is there any stopping it from here on out?
I think these companies, so it's funny, is Facebook a tech company? Is Amazon, the retail business, a tech company? So if you talk to traditional value investors, they'll be like, go look every 10 years at historical market caps. Mm-hmm. And they'll be like, oh, look at 1980. None of those top 10 companies that were tech companies are around anymore. I would argue they were basic hardware businesses that have like nothing to do with it. Facebook is a media company. It's a distribution company. Now, a lot of the content they don't have to pay for. Amazon is a retailer. It's funny. Amazon may eventually be disrupted, but it's by something that we can't comprehend. Think about Sears Roebuck. Sears. And like Sears was a business. It was mail order. You had lots of different. You didn't have to go to your local store. You had lots of different options. Amazon is Sears online. Could in 50 years it be disrupted? It probably will, but nobody can tell you what it's going to be. But I think over the next 5 to 10, 20 years, these companies are going to get exponentially larger. I mean, would you rather own Amazon's? Would you rather own? Do you believe in the decade people are going to buy more on Amazon or they're going to buy at Target?
I take your point, but and by the
way, these things aren't expensive. Like companies like Facebook trade basically at the market. S&P, 15, 16 times earnings. These things aren't crazy expensive. Amazon, people have been like, oh, the company's never made $1 of profit. It generates lots of profits. It's still expensive. Companies like Google trade at 20 times earnings. These are not companies that trade like the internet bubble at 200 times revenues.
Okay, now you're an early investor in some big-name technology companies. Brilliant investing on my part. Well, no, well done. What's the next big thing? Can you put your finger on it without giving away?
They can't give away. I have absolutely no clue. Look, I think software is going to continue, and this sounds so cliche, but software is going to continue to go to eat like different aspects of verticals. So we're invested in this company called Toast. It's restaurant point-of-sale system software, growing like a rocket ship. T. Rowe just invested like at $1.5 billion valuation.
Wow.
We had invested like a year and a half ago, and it's replacing Micros, which is a multi-billion-dollar business inside Oracle. Here's the value prop. You want to go into your restaurant. Micros would say, we'll sell you a $30,000 piece of equipment. You'll put it in your back room. And if you want to get a bunch of separate reports, good luck is basically the answer. So you can invest 30 grand per location and have this old antiquated system that looks like it's from 1995. Or you can buy this new system called Toast, and we'll charge you $200 a month.
Okay.
So it's companies like that doing that. I think you're going to continue to see more businesses built off of the mobile device. Because if you think like Amazon and Facebook obviously existed in a browser world on a desktop PC. Businesses like Uber And Spotify did too, invest in the desktop. But businesses like Uber could not have actually existed without the smartphone.
Okay, you've obviously made a lot of money. Do you enjoy piling it up? Is that what you enjoy?
I enjoy paying my taxes. So living in California, I can thank Donald Trump for
You
paying
live in
higher
California?
I live in California, so I'm as stupid as any idiot that lives in New York.
Texas is a very appealing place. Nevada is a very
A
appealing
happy wife
place.
is more important, though.
Okay.
Good
But
point.
do you enjoy piling it up?
I like my job. It's fun.
Come on. We love success on this program.
Success is good. It's
There's
fun.
nothing wrong with loving piling it up.
No.
Liquid freedom. That's what capital
I'm no Donald
is.
Trump. Let's put it that way. But I like.
It's like
I
pulling
like the job.
teeth,
It's
lad.
fun. Pulling teeth.
What's your name again? Mitchell Green, right? You can come back any day you like. Thanks, Mitchell.
Appreciate it.